Heidi Crowter and Maura Lee Wilson have been given permission to challenge the current law on abortion at the High Court. In the UK, abortion is permitted up to 24 weeks for most reasons, but is available up to birth for children deemed to have a severely life-limiting condition, and that includes Down syndrome. And Heidi and Maura say this is discrimination and should not be allowed. Well, I'm delighted to have Heidi with me now. Hello, Heidi.
Hello.
Can you tell us, why are you bringing this case?
Well, the reason I'm bringing this case is because I am someone who has Down syndrome, and I will not tolerate discrimination. And also, the reason it upsets me is because it also discriminates against my husband, and I love my husband so much. People need to see the person in James and see the person behind the X chromosome.
Because this is about discrimination, isn't it? It's about how babies deemed to have disabilities have got less protection in the law than those without. And perhaps could you just say a little bit more about what the key point of your case is? What is it you're asking the High Court to do? The
key point is to maintain equality in the womb, to make sure that they have the same cut-off point. Where I am a Christian. I would prefer to have no abortion at all, but that's not the case. The case is to get it done to the same limit, because there's no difference between my nephew and me. My nephew absolutely loves me and adores me, and I can't blame him. I can't blame him for loving me, because who would not love me?
Well, there's recent government figures show that between January and June 2020, there were 339 mentions of Down syndrome on abortion notification forms. So that's 339 abortions we know of that were because the baby had been diagnosed with Down syndrome, and around 92% of babies diagnosed with Down syndrome in the womb are aborted. Can I just ask you, how do those stats and how does that situation make you feel?
So as I'm someone who has a condition, it makes me feel that I'm better off dead. But I know I'm not, but that's how the law makes me feel.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not about the case. The case is not about that. It's about the equality.
Well, Heidi, can I just say thank you very much for, I know you're very busy. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us. Really appreciate it.
I do get very busy when the court case reopens. But I don't mind, I love doing it.